Internet has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to earn money online, and one such avenue that has gained popularity in recent years is using Google Translate. While it might seem unlikely that a free translation tool can be a source of income, many people are successfully making substantial earnings by leveraging the power of Google Translate. In this video, we'll explore how you can potentially earn up to $800 a day with Google Translate and make money online from anywhere in the world. Understanding Google Translate. Google Translate is a free online service provided by Google that enables users to translate text and even entire documents from one language to another. Initially designed to break down language barriers and facilitate communication, Google Translate has evolved into a versatile tool with a range of applications beyond mere translation. Ways to earn money with Google Translate. Freelance translation services. One of the most common ways to make money with Google Translate is by offering freelance translation services. Many businesses and individuals require content to be translated into multiple languages, and they are willing to pay for quality translations. You can create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Pros.com, and offer your translation services in various languages. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates and attract more clients. Content localization. Content localization involves not only translating text but also adapting it culturally for a specific audience. For instance, a company expanding into a new market may need its website, marketing materials, and product descriptions localized to resonate with the local culture. Google Translate can help you with the initial translation, and then you can refine the content to ensure it fits the target audience's preferences and sensitivities. Language tutoring. If you're proficient in a particular language, you can use Google Translate to create language learning materials. This can include vocabulary lists, sentences for practice, and even short stories with translations. You can sell these materials on platforms like Udemy or create your own language learning website or YouTube channel. As your content gains popularity, you can monetize it through ads, subscriptions, or one-on-one tutoring sessions. Website translation. As businesses strive to reach a global audience, the demand for website translation has grown significantly. You can offer website translation services, where you use Google Translate as a starting point and then refine the translations to ensure accuracy and context. This can be a lucrative gig, especially if you specialize in industries like e-commerce, travel, or technology. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn money with Google Translate is through affiliate marketing. You can create a website or blog focusing on a niche market and use Google Translate to translate your content into multiple languages. By joining affiliate programs related to your niche, you can promote products or services to a wider global audience. When people make purchases through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. Tips for success. Quality matters. While Google Translate can be a helpful tool, it's essential to remember that it's not infallible. Always double-check and refine the translations to ensure accuracy and context. This will help you build a reputation for delivering high-quality work. Build a portfolio. If you're new to translation or content creation, start by building a portfolio of your work. Offer your services at competitive rates initially to attract clients and gain experience. As you accumulate positive reviews and a diverse portfolio, you can increase your rates. Continuous learning. Languages evolve, and translation trends change. Keep up with language updates and industry-specific terminology to remain competitive in the market. Consider taking courses or certifications in translation to improve your skills. Market yourself. Invest time in marketing your services or content. Utilize social media, SEO, and online advertising to reach potential clients or readers. Networking with other professionals in your industry can also lead to new opportunities.